Aloha, it's Amanda Ishigo, Parent Education Manager with Tutu and Me Traveling Preschool. Please, raise your hand if this sounds like your life. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You've just wrapped up a long day of school Zooms and work Zooms, and even done a few loads of laundry in between it all. And you sit down for a moment to catch your breath, maybe finally drink that morning coffee, and you hear,
"Oh, what's for dinner?"
Need an idea? Here is a simple lau recipe where your keiki can kōkua you and prepare food for your ohana. And it's a great way to squeeze in some hands-on learning to balance out all of the virtual stuff. I am using sweet potato, taro, and ulu in this simple lau recipe. With the cost of meat going up, these local hearty vegetables are a great substitute. Buying these ingredients from your local farmer's market also helps keep this meal very low budget. We made 12 laus for only $11. That's less than $1 a piece. You can find this recipe in the description box below. This was a really fun way to spend quality time together, both in preparing food and then eating it. Enjoy shopping and supporting your local farmer's market. And on behalf of the Partners in Development Foundation, Tutu and Me Traveling Preschool, we send our aloha out to you. You've got this.